In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select Claude as your model in Cursor and send your first question. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right settings, how to switch modes, and how to make sure your prompts go to Claude instead of being chosen automatically. First, go to Cursor. Open the app so you're looking at your main workspace. From here, head to the upper right corner and click on Settings. It's typically represented by a small gear icon. This is where Cursor keeps all the controls that affect how its AI features behave. Inside Settings, look for the Models section and click it. This is the control room for choosing which AI model powers your interactions. You'll see different model options and categories. Find the section labeled for Claude. This is the family of models from Anthropic that's great for reasoning, writing, and code assistance. Before you pick anything, switch the interaction mode to Ask. Ask mode is the chat style interface, perfect for typing a prompt or question and getting a direct response. If you leave it in another mode, your inputs might be interpreted for different kinds of actions, so Ask is what we want here. Now turn off Auto Select. When Auto Select is on, Cursor decides which model to use for you, which can be convenient but doesn't guarantee Claude will be chosen. Turning it off gives you full control, so your next prompts go exactly to Claude. With Auto Select off and the mode set to Ask, choose Claude from the list. Click the specific Claude option that appears under the Claude category. You should now see that Claude is your active model for Ask mode. Next, try asking something. Click into the chat box and type a short, clear prompt. For example, you might ask for a quick explanation of a concept you're working on, a summary of a file, or help brainstorming a function name. The more specific and contextual your prompt, the better Claude can help. If you're referencing code or text, it helps to paste just the relevant snippet so the model can focus. When you're ready, press enter to send your question. You should see the response appear in the chat. Give it a moment to think. Larger questions can take a bit longer. If the answer isn't quite what you wanted, refine your prompt and press enter again. That's it. You went to Cursor, open Settings, click Models, switched to Ask, turned off Auto Select, chose Claude, typed your prompt, and pressed enter.